In this video, you will learn how to add a resource to questions already created in Eduphoria. I have 3 questions that require a diagram. Instead of adding that same diagram to each of the 3 questions, what I can do is create a resource to have the questions nest under. So I'm going to click the plus sign, add item, go over here to question type, click on resource. I'm going to name my resource diagram of sun movement. Then instead of doing resource text, I'm going to come over here and click on the picture button to add a picture or file. In this case, it'll be a picture. Insert file, and there is our picture. Now, because we do have some words on here, and we have students that get oral accommodations, we're going to right-click on it, go to Image Properties, and where it says Alternative Text, we're going to delete what's there, and we're going to type in what we want it to say. So we have West and East. I would like it to be centered on the page, and then I'm going to click OK. I'm going to come up here and make sure that this is clicked over, so that means it will text-to-speech my resource, which for us means it's going to read West and East. Then I'm going to click Create, and I have my resource, but I don't have any items linked under it. So to add the questions to that resource, I'm going to go to my first question, and I'm going to click this link button right here. And since I only have one resource, I'm going to click that one resource, and I'm going to click Update. And you'll notice it is now nested under it. And I'm going to come over here, click link button again, diagram of movement, update. And for my third one, link button, diagram of sun movement, update. And now all 3 are linked. If you have the resource and don't have the questions, then once you create the resource, you would simply just click the Add New button and then go through the process of creating your questions. But all good teachers check to make sure it doesn't look weird before your kids see it. So you will now notice that our diagram, which is labeled right here, Diagram of Sun Movement, is on the left side of our screen, and our questions are on the right. Our first 3 questions are involved with that diagram, and then the 4th one is not. If you choose to scramble up your questions so that each student doesn't have the same questions in the same order, just know that these first 3 questions that are with that diagram will not be switched around. They'll stay with that diagram, and the other questions on the screen will be moved around. So that is how you add a resource on Eduphoria and link questions to it. Thank you for watching.